Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable automatically detached video conferencing tabs in Opera browser. Suppose you are doing video conferencing in this one tab and after that you open a new tab. Opera will automatically pop out that video conferencing in the corner of your screen. At the bottom of the screen you will see that video conferencing like this. In case you don't see or you want to see this one tab, I mean you want to enable or disable automatically detach video conferencing tabs in Opera browser, you need to open Opera browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the top down menu click on this one settings option. Under Opera settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one advanced option. Again scroll down and you will find video conferencing pop out section. Here you can select this one option, automatically detach video conferencing tabs. You can enable or disable this one toggle switch to enable or disable this one feature on your Windows PC or any another operating system. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, please thumbs up. Bye bye.